Well, this is a bit awkward. I mean, usually this would only be for Roblox videos. Wait a second, let me change this. Okay, well, this character might not look too different from the last character, but let me actually show you something. My arm can be bent, and it won't just be disconnected and whatever as before. And it was very easy to make this character with absolutely no struggles whatsoever. Okay, so unfortunately, for some reason, there is literally no audio of what I'm doing here and the pain I'm experiencing, but I hope you can see it from the small clips I'll be showing here. Nice. Now everything's finished. Now all you have to do is just make the textures go correctly, and then that should be all. Right, nice and simple. Wrong. No, because after I add the textures, I also must rig the object, and that is going to be kind of a pain, because considering that I must also skin it, aka make so that all the parts that it knows which faces are to be assigned to which bone and how the bone should interact with each other, and that's going to be a whole nother bit of pain. Epic time lapse of me being in pain for your entertainment? Go. and done. Okay, so now you know how I got the charger, and it was definitely completely without any struggles to obtain. And now let's actually get to the part of the video what you actually clicked on this video. Oh wow, it's already 7 minutes long, and I've not even talked about the actual topic of this video. So, do you know the 27-year-old James Snake? Actually, wait, nope. There's an older version which is 42 years old. Well, I want to make it. Okay, so what do we need first? I mean, I'd say we need like a gray screen in a frame. Okay, so now let's see. And yep, it completely works. So now we have a gray square. Nice. Now, dear class, what do you think comes next? Um, Maybe that you add like the snake? Yes, exactly. 0 points for you. That was the most obvious thing ever. Coding time lapse. Go. Okay, let's see it work. Well, yep, that's a snake. Okay, next up we need the food. All this basically does is it just selects a random position on the screen and looks, hey, is there the snake? And if it's not the case, then it adds this food to a specific table. Then it'll be rendered, and if the snake goes there, then it does stuff so that the snake becomes longer. And here comes a time lapse of me doing that. Okay, so let's see it work, because if I now start the game, yes, it works. The snake moves at around 10 movements per frame, and I can use WASD to move it around. And if my snake collides with food, then it also becomes longer, which is perfect. Let's actually see how long I can play this before I get bored or something. Turns out pretty long, but it's not that I got bored yet, it's that there's still a very evident problem which needs to be fixed. As what you've probably most likely been seeing is my snake has no collision with itself or anything. I can just go through it, nothing happens. Similar is it with the walls. In other snake versions, if you collide with the walls, it would either kill your snake or the snake would come out from the other side. Currently, I have nothing like that. It can just go outside of the map. And what I think I'm gonna do is just so that if the snake collides with the walls, then it kills the snake, and that's that. Okay, final coding time lapse of the video. Go. Okay, and with that, the game of Snake is complete. You have a snake that moves around on a gray screen. You can use WASD to make the snake move up and down, left and right. It obviously cannot just 180 and do that. If it collides with food, then the snake becomes longer. If it either touches one of the four walls of the side or bumps into itself, then it makes the snake die, which just results in the snake's position and size being reset. And it is actually pretty enjoyable, and it's actually even really easy to just change the speed. All I have to do is set the repeating delay to a higher or lower number, and already it turns faster or slower as the game. Now I can already imagine that some of the comments on this video. 2 weeks ago he uploaded Roblox Studio How to Make an Obby for Beginners Part 4 Game Pass Shop and Custom Health Bar. And now he's just able to make something in Java, and to that I say, I made it over a month ago. The thing is, I just did not have a way to introduce it yet, and now I just rewrote the whole code whilst recording and everything, and just made a video out of it so that I can make a video out of it, and so you know why I made Snake. And the great part about Snake is I can also make a lot of different things about it. For instance, I could make a web version, I could make a multiplayer version, I could even make a 3D version of Snake. Also, I'm so sorry, I did not at all mean for this video to come out on 3 weeks after the previous video. Well, I hope it's going to be 3 weeks, but honestly, I feel like it should become 4. I almost had the entire video finished editing already a week ago, but it still just took this extra week. Well, I hope the next video won't take as long to get out. If you're wondering why in the world is this person suddenly uploading something that's not Roblox Studio, well then check out the video I'm currently recommending on screen. It explains why and that I'm gonna do other stuff than Roblox Studio tutorials in the future.